everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is another Aliexpress sort of haul and review, I suppose. I'm going to do some swatching today, but I thought I would show you what I have picked up. I was looking for something on Aliexpress and I stumbled across this store. It is the same brand as these, so I actually found their store. So I ordered some of their nail art gel, so I ordered it in black and white, so I will try them out today. They're in quite nice tubs actually, quite nice, very sturdy. So yeah, I ordered them, and I also ordered their liquid peel off nail tape, so basically liquid latex, and that's what it looks like. And barely got any smell at all. I can't smell nothing. So yeah, I will give that a try. And I also ordered this is their base builder reinforce base coat, so it's very thick, so that's what it looks like. Just because my nails keep splitting at the moment, because yeah, it's I've got to go and see my specialist, put it that way. So yeah, the blood flow to my hands is really bad. That's why they just keep breaking. So I ordered that, and I also ordered their matte top coat. I have already used the matte top coat already, but I sorry, I'm just bringing it out. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's really nice. It's a really nice matte top coat. It's just got a normal smell to it. So that is their no white top coat. I also ordered their foil transfer glue as well, if I can open it, which I cannot. Oh my lord. I can't open it. Anyway, we will use it today, but I can't open it, so I will show you when I open it. I need to get someone to open it. And I also ordered a few of their colours just because I wanted to try them out. So this is a magnetic, so this is MG03. Oh, I was going to say, don't tell me I can't open it. So this is a green one. So that's what that looks like. Oh, this camera. So it's a real green sparkly one. So we will try that today. I'm going to try all of these today. And I also ordered M905. I think these are the magnetic ones. Oh wow, I forgot what I ordered. So that is a purple to blue, and there's some like red and copper in there. Beautiful. And then I ordered number 15, so it's got the little window on, these ones. So as you can tell, it's a bright colour. My mum was, when she saw this, she was like, oh, I need it on my nails, I need it on my nails. So that is the colour of that one. It's a bit more purple. It's come across a bit more of a neon pink on camera. So that is 015, and I also ordered 027. As I said, I will be swatching these today, and this is a jelly blue. So yeah, I will swatch these today, and we will see what they are like. Well, I will probably stick some music on and come back with the nail art gel. I'm just going to do just a random swirly design. It's not going to be anything like good. That's my freehand rubbish, so it's not going to be any good, but at least you get an idea what they're like. And I also sent 2 free gifts, so they sent 2 packs of these nail stickers. So a pack will be going aside for giveaway, friend mail, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, let's get swatching. Okay, so it's a few days later. Yeah, got sidetracked. So let's get on with the swatches. So the first one we're going to swatch is this one, which is 027, and this is the blue one. So I'm going to do it over a clear, just so we can see what it looks like. Wow, that is pretty, very pretty. Oh wow, I really like that. Very nice, very nice indeed. So that is it over clear. We'll see how that levels out. I know what you're saying, stop playing with it. I ain't gonna get all the streaks out, but that's it over the clear. And then we'll also do it over a natural colour. Again, really pretty. It's a really pretty colour, really pretty blue. Very nice. Perfect for the colder time of year. So that is what it looks like. That is some good foil glue. So that is 2 coats of the blue on a clear, and that is 1 coat of the blue over a natural tip. Wow, that is, oh, that is nice. Need to get some more of them. So these haven't been top coated. So that's the green magnetic, beautiful. That is the purple one, just over a nude swatch stick, just 2 coats on its own. That is 1 coat of the pinky purpley colour, and this is 2 coats of it, of that one over black. So there you go. And that's the foil. So let's try this matte top coat, shall we? Shall we do it over... We'll do it over this one. I think what I will do is, I think that is the matte top coat, so let's just cure that. I forgot to show you the liquid latex. Let's just put a bit on here. That's too much. It's quite a watery one. We will see when it dries. Okay, I'm going to top coat the rest and then I'll be back. Okay, while they're just finishing curing, this is the liquid latex. Really good, really like it. Doesn't take long to dry either, which is awesome. Really good. So this is the matte top coat over the blue. Give me 1 second. Sorry, just adjusting my phone. So that is the matte top coat over the blue. As you can tell, it is gorgeous. It's really nice. It's a really nice feeling matte top coat. It's really nice. So that's the matte top coat over the blue. And then this is with another top coat, glossy top coat. So that's it over natural, just straight over the swatch stick on its own. This is it over black. I'm so disorganized at the moment. Too much stuff going on. Oh yeah, that's the blue. 1 coat of the blue with a glossy top coat, and that's 2 coats with that top coat. This is the foil with a bit of normal top coat, and then there's the matte top coat over the foil. So it's lost all of the hollow, but if you were to hopefully, if you were to put a glossy, you will see that it hasn't taken anything away from it. It's still shiny and so let's just put that back in the lamp. And then this is the pink purple colour, 1 coat, absolutely gorgeous. And then this is the other magnetic one, which is just 2 coats straight over the pop stick. Nothing, no colour, no nothing. So I am like uber impressed with these. I need to go back and order some more. As I said, I will try these painting gels with my other ones. I'd rather just do like a whole video of all of them together. Then I can just go from one to another, to another, to another, rather than making this video even longer than it already is. So there you go, that's the foil glue. And as you can see, amazing coverage. if I can see what I'm showing you. Amazing coverage. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. I love these. I need to go back and order some more colours. Ooh, I like. So yeah, once again, it is this brand. And they are all the colours. So I will post some pictures at the end. Let me know what you think down below. And if you have any of this brand, because I definitely am going to have more. Because I'm going to go back. Well, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. And I hope this wasn't too long. And let me know if you want to see like a full video of me just playing about with painting gels. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.